Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today in QuickBooks Point of Sale we're going to talk about all the different things that you can do in the departments list. Before we do that, don't forget to jump on over to our link down there, which is going to lead you to our Insiders Facebook group. That's right, a QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group where you can ask questions about how to do different things in QuickBooks Point of Sale or different errors that you're getting. The community will help you out, people such as me or other point of sale users just like you. Join our Facebook group, and while we're on YouTube here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're coming out with new videos all the time. All right, let's get into it here. On the department list, it seems very simple, but we're just going to talk about all the different little things you can do here. Personally, I always like to customize my blue buttons on the left hand side to do what I would like them to do. I'm going to right click there and click on customize buttons, and I'm actually just going to add every single button right now so that we can go through them and how they work and what they do. You may notice that a lot of the tasks that you can set the blue buttons to do are also present on the I want to menu. Most of them are actually. It looks like, let's see, copy, delete, edit, add, export to Excel, and print is not on here, but running reports is not in the blue button area. So that's going to be a difference. Real quick, if I have a department with set up margin and markup, and I just want to make a new department with the same exact margin and markup, I can go ahead and hit copy. And so we already have a sock department. Let's make a, I don't know, shoelaces department. Who knows? Shoelaces. Who wants to buy shoelaces, and why are they in their own department? I don't know. So you go ahead and you already have the margin markup that was saved when you copied. And there you go. That's copying. Deleting is going to delete a department. Very obvious. Reports. Now this button is kind of a misnomer. It seems like it just jumps to the reports like the report manager. It doesn't really do much for you. It's just kind of a shortcut button to get to the reports area. Same as going on the reports menu to report center. So here we can add a department. Of course, if we want to highlight and edit a department, we can do that here. Exporting to Excel is just going to export your entire department list. This doesn't come in handy too often unless you're actually moving to a brand new POS company. Maybe this one got mucked up and you're trying to start over. You're going to export to Excel your departments, and that'll help you bring them to your new point of sale company. You can also print out the department list, print them all, or just selected. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but it's there. You can do it. Now, on the I want to menu, some of the special reports that you can run is doing sales by department summary, or you can just look at a report of your departments, which is pretty much like looking at this same screen here, just in a report type view that you can print. Let's see if I can do this. General sales, department summary. So looks like from 8/1 to 8/13, the only thing I've sold is a skirt. Let's try last month or last 90 days. That might give us some more. Okay, so we can see that we've sold 10 shirts, 1 skirt, and 25 system items, which pretty much means they are not categorized. So there you go. That's pretty much everything that you can do in the departments list. I will also mention you can click on column headers if you want to sort by column header. Maybe you want to know where you have the most margin, which department, or maybe you want them alphabetical, or maybe you want to see which ones are taxable and which are not. Of course, if you have a department highlighted, you can hit show details over here, and it's just going to show you the quick details, which are actually the same details that we have in columns here. That's just kind of how point of sale is set up. Obviously on the item list, you'd have many more columns and way more details. And so here you can look at the details, but we already have all the columns here, so it doesn't really matter. If you want to search departments because you have so many departments that you really need to find that one that you can't find, you can go ahead and do that here. Personally, I'm not going to recommend that you make a ton of departments. It's going to be, it's going to seem real granular, and maybe you're going to feel like you want to make a whole bunch of departments, but you want to make them a little more general. If you want them to be easy to see in your reporting, I would recommend not having too many departments. You can create filters here. I don't know why you'd want to do that. Maybe you just want to group together some of your departments and look at them individually. Really, there's not a whole bunch of reasons to make filters on the department list. Some of these features are just features that come along with every list screen in QuickBooks Point of Sale. So a lot of them are a little not useful, I guess. All right, my name's Peter with BlackRock Business. Thank you for coming to the department screen with me in QuickBooks Point of Sale so we can figure out each and every little button and maneuver. I hope you have yourself a great day. All right, bye.